Hey guys, welcome back to Mantelligence. It's Beardy, Kay, and Larry here once again. Have you ever seen someone so handsome and wondered, what are they doing differently? Well, that's what we were thinking when we came across Teaching Men's Fashion's video, which talks about the habits all women think make men handsome.
After watching that, we also thought we could do our own version of that. And so here we are. We'll give you 7 more habits like that. Plus, since we want you to be really, really handsome, we'll tell you the #1 habit that makes you look your worst. Excited yet? Let's get right into it.
Number 7, clean man. Alright, one of the very obvious habits that all women think make men handsome is cleanliness. When we say clean, we mean all over. So let's start with the body. If you want to know how to attract women, then you better know proper hygiene. And while we know we don't need to tell you that you need to take a bath, brush your teeth, and use deodorant, we still want to tell you that you should pay attention to your grooming habits. This is because, yes, well-groomed is equal to handsome when it comes to hygiene.
Number 6, yes to the dress. Now, when you're already sure you've got a clean body, it's now time to consider your clothes. This is because if you want to make any girl fall in love with you, you have to know that how you dress matters. See, when you wear clean, good-smelling clothes, you're automatically attractive. Now imagine how more attractive you'll be if you dress properly, according to the event or place. Say, when you're asked to come to a formal dinner, don't show up wearing anything that's not formal. This is because if you do, no matter how fancy or expensive your sneakers are, they aren't helping you become more handsome.
You know what else will not help you? Is not knowing the things that can make any girl fall in love with you. Do something about it now by watching this video we made right here. Number 5, deep sleep. Okay guys, if you really want to learn how to be more attractive, then you gotta take rest seriously. And yes, I'm talking about good old-fashioned sleep. This is because studies published in the Sleep Journal and in the British Medical Journal found out that people who are sleep deprived are viewed as less attractive than those people who are well rested. Of course, this on top of the conclusion that not getting enough sleep also makes you look sadder than those who have gotten their dose of Z's. And we'll not get started on the health consequences of lack of sleep. What we just want to say here is that you've got to have great sleep habits if you want to learn how to make a girl like you.
And of course, that will only be possible if you've got a comfortable mattress that provides no pressure support, like the one from today's sponsor, Purple. With the use of their patented Comfort Gel Grid technology, Purple mattresses provide you the right mix of comfort features for you to get heavenly, beautifying sleep. They're soft when you want it and firm where you need it. Plus, with more than 1,800 air channels, the Grid guarantees that you'll feel comfortably cool all night while adapting to your body, no matter what sleep style you have. Now, if you don't believe us, you can go click the link in the description box or simply type www.purple.com in your browser and check out their website. You'll see that they have over 100,000 reviews from real people.
Oh, and did we mention that they also have pillows, bed sheets, duvets, and even pet beds? To close, here's the best part. You're just $599 away from the best sleep you can ever experience. Number 4. Hey there, reader. Another one of the habits that all women think make men handsome is when they read. This is because a man who reads knows he can gain knowledge and be better when he reads. For example, he can actually learn more about dating and relationships from reading. He can actually just Google something like body language tricks to make her chase you, and an article will definitely show up. And hey, an observation made by eHarmony found out that men who list reading on their online dating profile receive 19% more messages on their platform. See, reading does make you instantly attractive, and so if you want to be a step closer to learning how to get girls to like you, then maybe you should pick up a book right now. However, if you're really in the zone, then you might want to check out this video about body language tricks for additional insights.
Hey, while we know you can't wait to grab that book that's been gathering dust in your nightstand, don't go just yet, because we have 3 more items on our list of habits all women think that make men handsome. Plus, don't forget that at the end of this video, we'll still be showing you the #1 habit that makes you look bad. Let's get back to it. Number 3, Eat-tractive. Guys, did it ever cross your mind that maybe one of the reasons girls think you're unattractive is because of all the food in your fridge? Wait, what? That got your attention, huh? What I'm saying here is that a good eating habit is one of the things you should consider if you're serious about learning how to impress a girl. Now, we're not telling you that you should start being a picky eater. What we are telling you is that you should start ditching the junk food and start eating healthy stuff like homemade meals, fruits, and good old veggies. A study mentioned in WebMed that was done by a group of Scottish researchers shows that eating regular servings of fruits and vegetables a day makes the skin healthier and rosier looking, and therefore more attractive.
Now that sounds like something that would help you in learning how to make your crush like you, right? Well, that and knowing about the other reasons girls think you're unattractive actually. Check out this video here and you'll see what I'm talking about. This video has over 800,000 views, so it can't be bad, right? Number 2. fan of fun. So another one of the habits women think make men handsome is when they know how to have fun. You see, some men are too serious about anything that they have forgotten how to have fun. You know the cliche, all work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. Well, this is exactly what we're talking about. Guys, just like everything in this world, you should know how to take a break because it's important for your mental health. And you know being mentally healthy is attractive. That's obvious. Number 1. Thank you, please. The number 1 habit that women think makes men handsome is none other than the habit of being polite. See, if you want to know how to tell if a girl likes you, look if she observes your manners. This is because girls don't only want men that are attractive on the outside, they also want men who are attractive on the inside as well. And so if you want to be more attractive, then it's time to brush up on your manners. Remember, your manners show when you say thank you and please at the very least.
Whew! We're finally in the last few minutes of this video, where we finally tell you what we've promised you from the very start. We're now gonna let you know the number 1 habit that makes you look bad. Obviously, this is none other than keeping your eyes glued to your phone. Yes, when you use your phone all the time, especially when you're on a date, it automatically makes you look unattractive. Well, for one, she won't even be able to see your face. And then, eye contact would be impossible. And of course, let's not forget that doing this means that you don't respect her, because you can't even be bothered to pay attention to her.
And if you ask me, nothing makes a man more unattractive than being disrespectful. Did we fail to mention some habits that make women think a man is handsome? Let us know in the comments below.
Oh, well, I guess now that we've got you covered with habits all women think make men handsome, the next logical step is to make yourself knowledgeable about the body language tricks that will absolutely make her chase you. Watch this video we made here where we tell you 10 of those.